Ladies and gentlemen, come gather round, come gather round, come gather around. Today, we're fixing the trashy trailer, which broke. Let's have a look. So, when I picked up this trailer, I was surprised to find they were Chevette spindles welded to square tubing by Ray Charles. It appears to be 16 gauge. It might have rusted its way to 16 gauge, but that's definitely too small. The shoulder on here would tell me it's probably 1/8 inch. Feels like it hasn't been 1/8 inch for a while, but the bottom is like, I wish I'd seen this. Nevertheless, my gut was like, that's sketchy, don't do it, but I did it anyways, and here I am. So we're going to cut off the U-bolts. I got another axle from Princess Auto. We're going to see if it all fits together. Excitingly, the axle is 48 inches center to center, and this trailer is 47. So let's see how it goes. First, earplugs, eye protection somewhere. Oh, here it is. And we're going to cut this off. Hooray! Princess Auto, picking up parts from the trailer. Woo! made it past Art Knapp's. Got a 1 scoop of crushed rock instead of 2, which should be like 1,300 pounds, 1,500 pounds instead of 3,500. So 17, whatever it is, but 1 scoop, and made it back. Nary an issue. So I think we're good to go. As always, thanks for watching. Take care and buy a better trailer. See ya.